Param Shanti, welcome to Bapuji YouTube channel. People who want to be on the path of truth, people who want to attain God, takes resolution with true heart, then they will definitely attain God. It cannot be possible that you do not find God. Only condition is you have to take resolution with true heart from the depth of your soul, whether you are going to any organization, wherever you are in the world, or even if you have taken first step on the path of knowledge. But power to take true resolution will come when you receive fruits of many births at one time. When good karma or sanchit karma of your previous birth are coming together in front of you. In your previous birth you are deep in devotion, done great efforts to attain knowledge, and since childhood you have the perseverance to attain God. So you have already begun. Today, tomorrow, or day after tomorrow, your vibration force you to find the truth. Because search is from within, it is the search of the soul. Then you will start from Brahma Kumaris, where it is said that God Shiv has come on earth delivering knowledge. So it will start from there, because no one speaks that God came on earth. When people know that God has arrived on earth, then they go there to know and understand it is the search of the soul for truth, because many births have passed. In fact, infinite life cycles have passed for a common man. What are your inner feelings and efforts in seeking the truth? Why are you in search of God? How much effort you put in to understand the truth? An important one is why you start your journey on this path. This article explains what happens to the people who walk with truth and how much did they try to bring out the truth. Param Shanti.
परम शांति सोचो बोलो परम शांति
Join us daily for live meditation, 10 p.m. to 11 p.m. on YouTube Live. Subscribe now. Website www.paramshanti.org. Email us anant@paramshanti.org. Like, share, subscribe. Join today.